Whoa, good morning, super third graders. I was trying to talk and my voice didn't want to work for me there. Happy Monday. Thank you for watching our math recording today and doing the work that you need to get done. So today is Monday, October 15th, and there are no live special education classes, but that is why you are watching this recording, because we still have class. Please make sure you do the work that we need to do in our class video today. And we still have to do our iReady 10. There is no school on October 18th, Thursday, or Friday, October 19th for fall break. There will be no school on October 26th for students. It's a teacher work day. And then we have our Halloween special ed party on the 29th. So our special ed Halloween costume party is October 29th, that Monday. And we have Red Ribbon Week, October 29th through November 2nd. Our Halloween party will start at noon and end at 1. It might go a little bit after 1, which is just totally fine. And we have our students who have autism or sensory disabilities can come 45 minutes early at 11:15 to 11:45 for a sensory sensitive environment if they need to do that. Make sure if you are coming that you have filled out the RSVP link right here so that we can have enough supplies for all of our amazing friends that come. For Red Ribbon Week, Monday you wear red, Tuesday silly sock day, Wednesday costume day, Thursday crazy hair day, and Friday school spirit day. And don't forget we have the poster contest that we'd love for you to enter. And congratulations! You get to spin the prize wheel tomorrow in our Tuesday class. Great job earning those points. Alright, today to warm up, let's skip count by 2 to 100. Ready? Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Now let's skip count to 100 by 5s. So we're going to start with 5, and remember this pattern, we go 5, 10, 15, okay, it bounces back and forth. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And last, let's skip count by 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Today for math, we are doing something a little bit different, but kind of the same because we've been working on place value in the weeks previous. So today I am writing to the hundreds place using place value so that I can recognize the ones, tens, and hundreds place. I'll know I got it if I can finish my work page. So let's review what is place value. The value of a digit depending on its place in a number. So in the number right here, if I look at this number and I said, what is this number? The number is 845. So I know the 5 is in the ones place. This is always the ones place. That 4 is in the tens place. That's always the tens place. And my 8 is in the hundreds place. 840, 4 tens, 5 ones. Now today we are going to be counting these groups of 100. So right here I have a bundle of 10. See my 10 stick, but my 10 stick came over here and it was bundled into a big block. So if I count my block, I can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, I need you to either click on the link in the PowerPoint video that in this PowerPoint that I'm sending you today, or click pause on this recording and type in this URL, safeyoutube.net/w/Y lowercase s capital F lowercase e. Okay, so let's practice counting these blocks of 100, our 10 sticks, and our ones. So we have a whole cube, right? So when I see this block, I'm going to know that that's always 100. So I'd count 100, 200, 300. So I'd write my 3 in the hundreds place. Sorry, on this recording it doesn't let me write on the whiteboard, but just remember we have a 3 in the hundreds place. Then I count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I have 345. So I'd write that number on my line. Okay, now I've got a bunch of hundreds. I'm going to count. I always want to count the hundreds first, because when I write, I do the hundreds place, then the tens place, then the ones place. So let's count those hundreds. I want you to count with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So I'd write my 7. Now I'm going to count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 749. Let's count our hundreds over here. This is a bundle of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So I'm going to write my 5, my imaginary 5, because it won't let me write. And I'm going to count my tens. 10, 20. I don't have any ones, so I'd write 520. 2 and a 0. So I have 0 ones, 2 bundles of 10, and 5 bundles of 100. Let's try another one. Here's another bundle of 100. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bundles of 100. I know that makes 300. 100, 200, 300. So I would write 3. So this is pretty easy because it's just like counting. And I just put the number in its place value. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have 340, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 345. Now let's count this one over here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 560, 570. Wait a minute, I counted that wrong. Let me start over. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So I have 500s. Now I need to count my tens, starting with 10. 10, 20. So I have 510, 520, 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527. All right, I hope you are able to count those bundles of 100 and tens and ones today. We will be doing this again on Tuesday, so our next class will keep counting those hundreds, tens, and ones. And I think it'll be a little bit easier because we'll be able to write on the whiteboard page. But your first thing to do on your hero to-do list, number 1, email or text Mrs. Miller the answers to the math questions. Number 2, fill out the exit ticket. Number 3, spend 20 minutes in iReady Math. So today we counted to the hundreds place. Super job using your whiteboard tools the right way, being respectful to everyone and following the class rules and participating, which I know you would have done if we would have had live class. Here's your exit ticket link right here. So when I send you this PowerPoint, you can open up the PowerPoint and you can click on the link and it will take you to it, or you can copy and paste it and put it in a browser, or you can just push pause and then type this in and type this URL in. So this is what your assignment looks like. This is number 1. So you can print off this page if it's easy for you to print it, but I don't want you to have to waste a lot of ink or anything. You can also just write on, just get a plain piece of paper, write number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and underline the same numbers that I have. And then you just tell me, what is the place value of the underlined number? So number 1, it says 3,402. So this, if 4, what place is it in? Is it in the thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, or ones place? If I'm not sure, I could just take this number and scoot it up here and write one number in each column. So I have 3,000, so I have a 3 right here, 400, 0 tens, and 2 ones. So the 4 is in the hundreds place. Now listen, when I say the number, listen for if I say 100, 3,402. So I know that 4 is in the hundreds place. So you need to tell me what place is the 3 in the hundreds place, tens place, or ones place. What place is the 2 in? What place is the 3 in, the 9, and the 0, okay? So once you have that done, you can send me a picture of it through a text or email. You can just type me in an email or send it to me in a text, type in a text, whatever is easiest for you. Thank you for working so hard. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I can't wait to see you on Tuesday and spin our prize wheel. Great job. You guys are amazing.